Good morning, you guys. So I'm starting today off with one of my favorite go-to breakfasts. This is some oatmeal toast with half an avocado spread on top and 2 hard-boiled eggs with some pepper. It's so good. And of course coffee, because I can't start my day without it. I've been posting a lot more what I eat in a day videos recently. So if you're interested in that, be sure to check that out. I'll have a ton of links in the description box for you guys for more information. My snuggly little pup sunbathing. It's one of her favorite things to do. So I have kind of a lot going on this week, and I wanted to bring you guys along and kind of give you a little bit of an update of what we've been doing. So today I'm going to drop off literally an entire trunk full of donations. Definitely necessary to do, purging my closet and just any unnecessary items while packing and before moving. But we're gonna drop this off today before we go thrifting. So we just got to Second Chance. This is a thrift store. This is like the most magical place I've ever been in my life. So we're on the hunt for furniture today because I'm not kidding, this is one of my favorite places to go. You could spend days in here and they get new things every single day, so there's always something new. It's crazy. They have just everything and anything you can think of. But I am on the hunt for a few household furniture items. I'm looking for a dresser and 2 nightstands for the master bedroom. Also a couple barn doors or antique doors, possibly some light fixtures and a mantle. If you guys get the chance to go here, I definitely recommend it. Or if you have something that's local, I would love to know the name of it. I would make road trips to go to these places because they're just that cool to me. I'm literally obsessed. This place is an absolute dream to anyone who is looking for antiques, who enjoys thrifting, who likes to take on a do-it-yourself project. It's like a treasure hunt. But I'm really into farmhouse and antiques, so this is just the place to help me find those items for an affordable price. This is just like the ultimate high to my crafty addiction. I've been in desperate need of new luggage. My previous suitcase broke, the handle broke, and the wheels broke, so I picked these up from Kenneth Cole. This is the Reaction collection. So I picked up 2 sizes. I picked up the smallest one here, which is 20 inches, and the largest one, which is 28 inches. They also offer a 24-inch one, so that's the in-between medium size. I figured these sizes were perfect though, because honestly, when I like legit travel, I pack like a lot. So this guy is definitely going to be handy for longer trips. This guy is definitely smaller, so he's more of like an overnighter, quick weekender type deal. So I'm excited that I picked these up in general, especially for any upcoming traveling. I know I'm prepared, but I'm going to use these to pack in because you guys know I'm moving, and if I already have bags or luggage, I'm just gonna pack in them. So these are gonna be perfect to pack in, which I'm going to do today. They're super lightweight, which I was really impressed with and happy with. Also, obviously they're very durable. They have the hardcover case and the wheels at the bottom, so moving these around is going to be no issue. These are super nice. Pretty sure this is my first ever adult luggage slash bag purchase. Look how much room is in here, and all of these little extra compartments. Oh my gosh, for traveling this is amazing. There's little pockets everywhere. It's gonna make packing so much easier for me. I don't think I've been this excited to pack like since starting packing. All right, let's see how much stuff we can get in here. That is perfect for making my jacket stay smaller rather than puffing out. Oh, this will be like perfect for shoes when traveling. Yes! I'm like so happy with this purchase. These bags are perfect. I would love to know if you guys have any packing tips, so be sure to comment that down below. It's all coming together. We're going to go on Saturday to take a look and update you guys and see where they're at as far as the build. I can fit so much more. This would probably be the first time that Will would give me the A-OK for packing as much stuff in here as I can. Let's get some more stuff. Perfect. Then this side also has a zipper all the way around, so that's going to keep these guys separate, which is also great. Alright. This honestly could obviously fit more, but for now, that's kind of really all I have that I find as a necessity to get packed. So, as far as winter clothes, I should say. That all fit without even needing to expand. Now for the smaller suitcase, I'm going to pack a bunch of Will's winter and fall clothes, mainly flannels and long sleeve shirts. So I'm just gonna quickly pack this guy up since it's now summer and we no longer need it before we move. So I actually partnered with Kenneth Cole for this, and they were really generous to supply a 20% off coupon for you guys. The code is TAKE20. I'll post the links as well as the code in the description box too for you guys. We got takeout for dinner tonight. This is from a local smokehouse. I ordered a Cobb salad with shredded chicken. And of course I got my Walden Farms Caesar dressing, one of my favorites, and some ice water. So to update you guys on what's going on with the house, here are some of the choices that we've already made. If you follow me on Instagram, then you've already seen some of this. There's still a bunch of items that we're on the hunt for to finish furnishing our place when we move in. I would love to know what brands and stores or websites you guys shop from. Household items, furniture, appliances, pretty much anything home related. So be sure to comment that below. I would really appreciate it. And I'm excited to check out your recommendations. We actually have another meeting this week on Wednesday. If you guys follow me on Instagram or Snapchat, you know that I always bring you along and you get the live update right then and there when I'm doing anything home building, home buying related. So make sure you're following me on those if you want to get updates as they're happening rather than waiting for vlog updates like this one. Here is the photos of our lot when we originally chose it. So you can see all of the land itself and the surrounding trees prior to clearing out. And here is the latest update of our lot. The foundation is in, so they're soon going to move on to the concrete and throw up the walls, and then it should really just start to come together pretty quickly after that. So far, we're still aiming to move in July, but we're just so excited. We can't wait for it to all come together, and we can't wait to move and just share the entire experience with you guys. We have so many projects on the way, so we really just can't wait for it to all come together and have a place to call our own. If you guys have any other questions, be sure to check out the description box for more information. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy vlogs, update and check-in videos like this one. Make sure that you guys are still subscribed, and I will see you in the next video.